Today I want to walk you quickly through ConsignCloud's electronic payouts add-on. This is a great way to speed up your workflow, especially for seasons when time is short. Let's take a look at the software. To get started, head to Menu, Settings, Operations. Our integrated payouts are powered by checkbook.io, so the first thing you'll want to do is to create an account with them using this link. Once you have one, click Get Started at the bottom of the screen and we'll link your checkbook account. Be sure to fully set up your checkbook account on their website at Settings, Profile Info. Your signature, business information, and sending limits are especially important to pay attention to. You'll also want to copy our webhook URL using this link and paste it into your developer settings in Checkbook at Settings, Developer, and Webhook URL. This will allow us to synchronize payout status more quickly. Back in ConsignCloud, let's walk through a payout to see how this all works. So we'll find an account with an outstanding balance, click through, settle the account. We'll uncheck Generate Receipt just for the purposes of the demo and choose our integrated with ACH with checkbook option. We'll tender that and we can see that the balance has been settled and it's got a little lightning bolt indicating that we used checkbook.io to settle that account. Head back over to the settings page and we can see that this payout has been registered with an unpaid status. Behind the scenes, Checkbook will send out a digital check that looks something like this. You can customize all the branding, the image, and the accent colors on Checkbook's site. It gives your consigners a couple different options for depositing the check. They can either set up a bank account with it using ACH information or kind of a bank login tool that Checkbook has and deposit it directly, or they can print it out and take it to their bank if they prefer that. Once a recipient confirms their account information, their payout will transition over to pending and then finally to paid or printed, depending on how they wanted to take the payment. If you want to void a payment, you can do that from within your checkbook dashboard, and its status will then be reflected over in ConsignCloud too. One last thing to address is, of course, what you've probably been wondering this whole time: how much does it cost? Each digital check processed will be billed monthly to your regular subscription at a rate of $1.79 each. I know that might sound a little expensive, but the great thing about a flat rate is that larger payouts don't cost any extra like they would with other processors who charge a percentage fee. The other thing to remember is how much time you're saving by not having to process each payout manually, especially if you're switching away from physical checks. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please reach out if you have any questions.